Welcome to Real Education. In this video, we will do a Monzo Bank full detailed review. My name is Pankaj and you are watching Real Education. So let's begin without wasting more time. Thanks for stay tuned. If this video is really helpful for you, so please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. So friends, I divided this video in two parts. Number one, I will answer your all questions about Monzo Bank, and number two, I will share my experience about Monzo Bank. So first of all, we talk about part 1, all questions and answer about your Monzo Bank, and then we talk about in part 2, in Monzo Bank, my experience. Both parts are included in this video. Friends, many people ask me about Monzo Bank account opening process. I want to tell you, Monzo Bank account opening process is really very easy and very simple and convenient. If you are don't comfortable with account opening process, then don't worry. I already created a video about Monzo Bank application, how to create your Monzo Bank account online at home. So I will give a link in description, and also I will give a link in comment section. You can check out after this video. So friends, I already created many videos on account opening process, just like NatWest Bank, and also I created on Starling, how to create your Starling bank account at home, how to create your Monzo Bank account at home, and also I created on Revolt Bank, how to create your Revolt Bank account at home online. And you can also check out this all videos after this video. So question number 2, about account opening fees. What fees will charge this bank? I want to tell you that this is completely free. You don't have to pay for any account opening process fee. So let's talk about maintenance charge. If you don't maintain your account average monthly balance or average quarterly balance, then you don't have to pay anything for your maintenance charges, just like other banks, NatWest and etc. So friends, let's talk about question number 2. You don't have to pay anything for your Monzo Bank account card. It's completely free of cost. If you by chance lost your card anywhere, please don't worry. You also can reapply for your new card free of cost. You don't have to pay any card fee and also delivery charges. Let's talk about ATM fees. You don't have to pay anything for any ATM anywhere in UK. If you are withdrawing any amount of UK from any ATM, you don't have to pay anything. There is a no withdrawal limit and charges in the UK. And if you are in abroad out of UK, then you have to pay something charges. But you don't have to pay something charges for spend. You have to pay for cash. If you are abroad from UK, out of UK, and you are going to any abroad countries just like India, United States and anything, you don't have to pay any charges for spend your money. But if you are doing a withdrawing a cash from any other country, then there is a limit of £200. If you exceed this limit, then you have to pay 3% of your total amount. So friends, let's talk about transfer fee. If you are transferring your money to any other Monzo account, then you don't have to pay anything. But if you are transferring from abroad to any other country, then you have to pay something for it. You have to pay two types of charges. Number 1, transfer fee, and number 2, currency exchange fee. So let's talk about question number 5, how you can top up your account. There is a 3 method by you can top up your account. Method number 1, you can top up your Monzo Bank account by any pay point from shopkeepers. You can also top up your account by checks, and you can also top up your account by bank transfer online. So now let's talk about main thing that everyone is waiting for it, Monzo Bank customer care services. I also experienced this customer care is completely really very excellent services of Monzo. I almost call them 3 to 4 times and I really satisfy from them. And there is a 2 method to contact the company. One is live chat and second is a phone. In the live chat, you have 2 options, urgent or non-urgent, for your waiting list, and number 2 by calling. If you call them, they will immediately help you. So friends, let's talk about my experience. This is the part 2 of this video. So first of all, I want to start from first. When I opened my Monzo Bank account, is completely free of cost, and also process was very simple and convenient and easy. This video is not sponsored by any Monzo, so please you can trust on me and my channel. So let's talk about next steps of this application. When I use this application in abroad, mostly time I use this application in India, and I spend with money with this card. It's a really very convenient and easy. I don't face any interface with this card. When I talk about currency exchange rate, when I go for local, they are charging almost 6 to 7% of total amount. When I go for banks are charging almost 4 to 5% of total amount. But Monzo is giving almost very good currency exchange rate, almost within 2% of commission. This is a really fantastic with Monzo experience. And if you are using not a Monzo application user, then please go to Monzo and download this application. It's really helpful for you in abroad. And there is a restriction with ATM limit. If you are withdrawing your amount from any ATM in abroad, then there is a almost £200 limit. If you cross this limit, then you have to pay 3% of your total amount. But I almost tried 3 to 4 times. I crossed this limit, but I don't charges for that. It can be a glitch. I almost crossed 4 times limits of £200 in India, but I don't charge for them. Really, bank is very good and easy for India. And if you are an Indian and if you go for UK and UK to India, if you are many time travelers in Pakistan, then you can also go for Monzo. Is really convenient for India and Pakistan, Bangladesh and Asian countries. So let's talk about user friendly interface of this application. There is almost many features as you can use. There is an amazing feature of control your budget, and you can control your spends. It will compare your spend from last month to next month. It's almost average of your all months spending, and it will show you the result of your spending. You are spending more or less. So overall, I can tell you that my experience is almost very convenient and easy and fantastic with this application. This is a completely excellent application, and most of the feature of this application is almost free of cost. Many people talk about to me as a safety. This completely application is safe and secure. You can use this application and save your money in this account without any hesitation and without any risk problem. So I can tell you that my overall experience with Monzo Bank is completely very fantastic and good. In this video, I almost covered all positive points of this application, but there is some negative points also. If you are in abroad, then you cannot create your account by abroad. You have to in UK, then you can create your account. So let's talk about my account opening process experience. When I open my account in Monzo Bank application, I am not in UK, I am in India. So how I can create this? This is something trick to you can create your Monzo Bank account in Pakistan, Bangladesh and also in India. I select a UK VPN, just I connect it to a UK VPN, then I put my UK mobile number, then I get a 6-digit code and I verified my account easily. You can verify your account by passport. Passport is a really very convenient option for you, so please use the passport. And there is no problem with VPN. You can use this application in by VPN, selecting by UK VPN. There is no problem with UK VPN. You can use your UK VPN for your Monzo Bank account. This is really very convenient and easy for me, and also I think it's really very convenient for all peoples. And if you are face any problem, then you can call your customer care services, and you can also live chat from that. If you are doing a live chat, there is a 2 option, urgent or non-urgent. So please click on urgent and you can immediately connect to any customer care service agent. And also many people talk about Google Pay. What I can connect this account with Google Pay? Yes, you can connect your account with Google Pay wallet. I already connected my account with Google Pay, and I am using Google Pay. Is really very convenient for Monzo Bank account. I hope that this video is really helpful for you. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.